Yeah.
You don't know me, but I just follow you and the mango.
Okay.
Everybody.
Thank you so
From
much.
since she
Man.
land in Jamaica,
Yeah.
they should leave. I've
Okay.
been following you guys.
Thank
Yeah, well, I will see this because I'm always on your channel.
Yes.
Always on your channel.
Much, man. Thank you so much.
You know, I never thought I would have been.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Yeah. That's cool, man. You see me some with that ships.
Nice waters.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still nice. We can go far out, man. It's not that deep. The people there all the way out there.
Go well far, boat to beach up and
Free food. I get free food, guys. Very free. Them say in life, anything you want free, you must be dumb. So I got something free, so I guess I'm not dumb. Right? I'm not dumb. Thank you, Trinidad. Thank you, thank you.
just how they get a little piece of the bike for you now, but you know what I'm saying?
This is nice. You know, so me have a sample of the water. The water, the water, the water, the water. Yes. Trinidad water.
Food and bite.
Like this. So guys, we have shark inside and salmon inside.
Right.
Avocado.
Paper, not take the paper.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
park across the road, now we're gonna walk inside the beach. You know.
Eh, you say you have a big fan, even.
Where?
Fans on the You have a subscriber.
Oh, I see him looking, you know. Check out, guys. So I got a subscriber that spotted me. You know, cause I saw him was looking at me, but him probably never really too picking up. But now, he's sleeping. Yeah.
You don't know me, but I just follow you and the mango.
Okay.
Everybody.
Thank you so much.
Since she
Man.
landed in Jamaica,
Yeah.
they should leave. I've been following you guys.
Thank you so much, man.
You're shooting right now?
Yeah.
Well, I will see this because I'm always on your channel.
Yes.
Always on your channel.
Thank you so
You do
much.
real good work. I'm a YouTuber also.
Okay.
Yeah, my channel name is Pure Adventure.
Give a shout out, Pure Adventure.
Yeah, man, Pure Adventure. You know, you guys check it out. You have good stuff there.
Yeah.
Good Trini vibes, Trini locations, different places. You know, like the channel said, Pure Adventure.
Pure Adventure.
You know, I go on adventures.
Yes,
out there.
yes.
Show people show the world. Trinidad now.
Right,
And
right.
Trinidadians who live out there. And haven't been back here for
Long
a lot of
time.
years. You know, my channel show people.
Yeah. What them been missing.
Yeah, what they're not being
They're
a
not
part of.
seeing. Yes,
You know?
yes.
So, my
Thank
boy,
you so much, man. Thank you so much.
you know, I never thought I would have been here.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, that's cool, man. You see me some nice here. I like it. I like the country.
Pleasure, boy. It's a
I like the
pleasure,
country.
my boy. It's
Yeah,
a
man.
pleasure, my boy.
I like the country, man. It's very nice. Experience.
Happy. I'm
Big
feeling
up, you know, to one of our subscribers, you know.
Yo.
It's really nice to meet our
Hey,
subscribers, to
I'm
meet the
feeling
world, to know.
happy, boy. And
Yeah.
I will make me more happy to know you're one of the Mwango friend. You know,
Yeah.
you're actually close.
Yeah,
Boy,
yeah.
so first I'm actually meeting someone that close to her,
Yeah,
her
yeah.
friend, because I'm a subscriber.
To be as
Her
well.
channel also, all her family, all her brothers,
The mom.
her mom,
Yes.
everyone.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of Kenyans. Lot of Kenyans. And I love Kenya, you know.
Yes.
Hope to
Mama Africa one day.
I hope one day to visit Kenya.
Yes, definitely one
Yes.
day. So I'm gonna check out the beach and see what this is like.
Yes, yes.
Have a swim.
It have more, far more beautiful beach than this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This beach more famous for calm.
Okay.
Not today.
Okay, not today. It's rough today.
Yeah, because the breeze kind of high wind.
Yeah.
So it's not rough and not smooth, but you have beautiful places. I wish I could really drive around and show you.
Yeah.
I wish I could really show you Trinidad.
Yes.
You know?
That would have been nice.
Yeah, you
you
could.
know?
Hold on, my game.
Yes.
This is one of my core cards. This is what I do. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. But due to COVID and stuff, COVID put a lot of dent
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
economy.
The entire in service. So I got the number then, so I'll give you a call then, yeah? Yeah, man.
The 703 number, them on WhatsApp.
What's up? Alright, no problem.
The other one is at the G. So Trinidad is digital and B-mobile.
Okay, okay.
That is more local.
Yeah, yeah.
Digital.
Worldwide.
Yes, sir. Enough respect, my boy.
Every time, man. Every time.
Fans,
Yeah.
check me out, Pure Adventure. Just yesterday, I dropped a video on Maracas Bay. You
Yes.
guys check it out. There's amazing stuff in that one video.
Alright.
I ain't wanna give it away.
Yeah.
Check that.
So check it out to see it.
Yes.
Alright, then.
Enough
Bless
respect.
us. Yeah, man. Big up, brother.
Bless.
Every time. Yeah, so what's the name of this beach?
It's called Broadwalk.
Broadwalk Beach.
Down in Canada.
Okay.
Canada just a big place. It's a Macquarie. Right? It's a Broadwalk. You should be down like cut down there. Because I park on the other side of the beach.
Oh,
But it used to be 3 points.
okay.
The top of the road, what people are special.
Yeah.
Fish. Diving, you see diving. I know what them fellas time like between now and Tuesday, but maybe they might be able to just carry you down there, but because you hear they say the time, you know?
Yeah, the time.
Down there will be a real more
nicer
vibes to get there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because don't Macquarie close long time, maybe submarines and things used to come in on the water time and dock.
Yeah.
You understand? And coming onto the land from down there.
Okay. Wow, so the beach is a bit windy, guys. So the beach is a bit windy. You know? Woo! Windy beach today. People them is out.
Right down so.
Let them going that way.
Yeah. Walk down this side.
Trinidad. So this is the Trinidad Beach. Here on the beach, the beach. A lot of almond trees here on the beach as well. A lot of almond. What? Rough. As him say, it's kind of rough today. We got ships.
Nice waters.
Yeah.
Still nice waters.
Yeah, it's still nice. We can go far out, man. It's not that deep. The people there all the way out there.
So well for boat to be up on this. They are to be deep. But after a certain point you will have a drop now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Well. I'm here at the beach. Rough tide coming in on this beach, boy. And as you can see, there's a stretch go all the way around on this beach. Never get to sample the river, but I definitely have to sample the beach. I never sample the river, but I definitely have to sample the beach.
Hey, that could go underwater. Now we're going out there with that.
Yeah.
Hey, Frank, you see the basin there, see fight under the water and watching the fish.
Wow, go on. The water is not that clear. That people always say that. Alright then. Let's start singing for the ladies. Let's sing for the ladies. Going out there with it.
Wait over there with it?
Yeah. Now I got another van for float. I don't got that floating one. Yes guys, so you know, so me have to sample the water. The water. Yes. The Trinidad water. It's not clear. Yeah, it's not that clear. A lot of waves. Whoa.
Yeah, that one have to be brave to walk in.
It's not that clear though.
You can't see me walking.
Yeah, see where you're walking.
The front of Jamaica.
Yeah. Jamaica, you see everything.
Yeah, I see nothing, man. I think about there, just and walk.
Yeah.
If you're not a man fit, I'm walk out there.
Guys, so you know, so you can't see where you're walking. As you can see, the water is not that clear. waves them keep coming and thing. Nice! What a blast! Yeah! There's a lot of waves. That is so far walk out and look what the water still is. Water still not even my waist yet. So as you can see, you have to go a bit out to get a decent looking, you know, of the water. The ships. Only if the water they clear. The clear is the shore under there, the shore at least. It's not even clear.
Freeze though!
A lot of waves. There's a lot of waves out here.
Johnny?
What's the name of it?
The Indian Bay, also known as the Broadwalk. It's called
Broadwalk
now.
But
Indian Bay we know it as.
oh, it's called Broadwalk. Some big wave out here. Look.
What is the back of me there?
A lot of wave. Waves.
You're seeing nice water. Up there, nice water, John. Like, after 6 in the morning, we was up there.
Where's that?
When we went in.
Oh, yeah, but it was nice.
Yeah. Right the bad beach.
Yeah.
The daytime kept you up there, but you wasn't in it.
Yeah.
But the sea of sun,
So I'm in the Trinidad water.
When we go in, I can go out and I can do too. You gotta do that?
The water real nice. Water real nice. Real nice. The water is nice here. Nice, but it's not clear. I don't know how water is in Jamaica.
When I come out,
we got some big waves.
like I jump in summer.
You see, so we're stepping blind. Black and waves. warm, right? I feel more warm, boy.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, so yeah, man, that was a lovely scene for me, you know, testing out the waters of Trinidad, you know. So, you know, next I want to go see what's going on in Tobago, you know, and take on the Tobago scene, see what's going on over there. So this is the wonderful beach here of Trinidad, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Test the waters. You cannot come to Trinidad and you don't test the waters. You have to test the water. When you come to Trinidad, you have to test the waters.
Anything you like? No, I can see like.
You like nothing here.
What food that's how were you like buying something?
You'll find out one. Chinese.
What's that, fish?
Yeah, salmon.
Oh, some
Salmon here, shark and everything coming out hot.
shark?
Shark, yeah.
That's the shark.
That's shark.
Bacon shark? Look at the dumpling.
Bacon shark. Dumpling.
Let me see your dumplings.
Roast leg.
What's it called? Roast?
We dumpling or flour? Water.
Oh.
Yeah. We call it bake.
Yeah, roast leg.
Roast bake. In Jamaica we call it fried dumplings, right?
Oh, the fried one, they call that fried bake.
Fried bake.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Is it ready?
Yeah, ready.
That's the shark. Try shark.
This is roast beef.
That's bread.
And homemade bread. Yeah.
Homemade bread. Can I taste the shark? Please. Taste the shark.
Shark.
It's my second time. Last time I tasted up by the lookout.
Townies by Westies.
Tastes alright still.
What is that, mate?
Sharp.
I can taste it how sharp this is.
You want to taste it, right?
Try bacon shark?
Yeah, I'm try the bacon shark. My subscribers say I need to try the bacon shark. The shark and the salmon. You can have it mixed with the salmon as well.
One thing I'm sure about that, some nice bacon.
Yeah, sure, very good.
That's some big
Here?
Yeah, like that's some real nice bacon.
Fork up in the morning.
Then the number one breakfast place in the Martin.
Oh.
Fried baked roast beef, number one place.
Everybody's stupid.
Yo, so guys, I'm not the only one going to eat shark. They're going to eat as well too. So if I'm going down, they're going down too. Joke.
You have here on the side? Down below. What? In the next?
On the side,
What in the other? Bacon shark?
yeah, I want lettuce and a pineapple.
That's some pineapple?
Yeah,
You want ketchup, garlic sauce, honey mustard, pepper?
onion mustard.
Honey mustard.
Do you have any sweet, any sweet something sweet now? I give onion mustard and what you have?
Garlic sauce, ketchup, and pepper.
Garlic sauce. Alright, give me the ketchup and pepper.
Ketchup, pepper, honey mustard.
Yeah. Only one pepper to kill out the shark out my belly there. That's beetroot.
Become the salmon and the shark, right?
Oh, that's what they do it.
Mix it up, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mix it up, feels nice.
Is that the bake, right?
Yeah.
So what them say is like, yeah, go on.
Pineapple.
You don't know anything?
Huh?
No one anything?
No, I don't.
So me alone no want something happening.
Really? Make sure you eat.
Right, so ketchup, honey mustard, and pepper, right?
Yeah.
Family, so that the shark done it.
Then fry that for 5 minutes, 2 minutes. You want it?
Yeah. How much the bacon shark?
Guys, so I know I'm gonna try the bacon shark. You guys been saying keen on try the bacon shark. So now I'm gonna try the bacon shark. I never bring any snagger roots. Huh? Avocado too? Yeah.
Piece of avocado. Give me full load.
Yeah, piece of avocado as well.
2 small bacon shark.
Bacon shark.
What flavor juice you have?
Grapefruit lemon and fruit punch.
Grapefruit lemon and fruit punch.
Yeah, ginger. If I win, I want to
Yeah.
I can get a pissed off my old man.
Frank.
Huh?
What flavor do you have again?
Lemon and fruit punch.
2 fruit punch, yeah. 2 small fruit punch.
You got my fruit punch, huh? I feel like I can do it fruit level.
Guys, I'm trying this. It is a bacon shark, right?
Yeah. I want to make fruit level.
Let me see what's there. Open it. Yeah, I'm trying it one time, man. Yeah, man. This is the Trinidad original bacon shark, right? And then do it, right? This dumpling, fried, fried. I fried that bread. It's like bread. Bread.
There's plenty ice in here.
Big.
I fried it. You make it different from me.
Alright, Johnny cake. So you eat it like a sandwich?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you enjoy it.
You will enjoy it?
You will enjoy it. He's cut.
Always.
He's one of the best.
We should eat it like this, right?
Yeah.
Well, actually, yeah, kinda, yeah. Look that side and eat from the next side. Lovely, my brother. Full and bite.
Like this. So guys, we have shark inside and salmon inside.
Right.
Avocado.
Yeah, for not to eat the paper. Trinidad style, you did.
Trinidad, right?
Yeah, you fold and eat and tuck and roll up. As they get close to the paper, they just keep folding down.
Big and shark. We have pineapple, avocado, lettuce, salmon. So I'm not having only shark. Yeah.
Sure.
For sure.
And then in Trinidad they have a punch.
I need 6 pack when I'm leaving. You come with all the corn, right?
Plenty ice in my bag. Grapefruit, right?
My man buy all the corn. Look.
They want to talk about the proper. Huh? Yeah. Don't mean don't ride the car, you should.
Mr. Brian, man. Everything good?
Right. Shark meat. Imagine that, yeah? Like I'm eating it and leave, right?
Yeah.
Without paying. Yeah, because they give me to eat. You know?
You like it?
So in Trinidad,
Yeah, I know.
they eat before you pay. Right? That's very good. In Jamaica, you cannot do that.
See ya. Let's move on.
Yeah. So we eat before we pay.
Once you don't leave and then pay, you can eat and then pay.
So if you don't like it, you can tell them you still go free. So it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. It's Magnum. Yes guys, it really tastes good. What's that, natural juice?
Yes, you have mixed yourself juice.
Lemon, how much after?
27?
Yeah, do for everything.
Before this is the latest.
Hey, that's it.
What do you want to fry? I only had one. Again, it was narrows. Yeah.
What's that?
Juice, grapefruit, lemon. Then
Let me have one. Let me have one, please.
another grapefruit, lemon, 60 nice. Not plenty ice. Which one you want? Small or you want the 20 ounce sitting?
That side.
Alright.
I'll put some ice there. It just makes it kind of
Yeah, more be two, you know. Yeah, more be two, you know. Yeah, more be two, you know. If they don't want to give lemon, you could have get it more.
Alan, tell that. Don't you say I have the
right now, I put on there, but we make it.
Bengal lemon.
We put lemon mixer.
Much everything come to it.
Yeah. Now, is this serious? Here, you are.
Them take card? Huh?
I know, absolutely.
Hey, take card?
You take card?
Well, sir?
No.
No? So I'm gonna pay for mine. I'm gonna pay for mine. Can I come back next time to pay?
Yeah, you can do that.
I'll come back tomorrow, okay?
I think you're not. You know this one, right?
Hmm?
You know this one, right?
No, they got no more money. I'll come back tomorrow and pay.
Wait for you fortress.
Easy jam yet nice.
Yeah.
Plenty man.
My shark just dropped.
You want scoop?
No more up on the beach picket up.
I'm getting more sharp.
Yes.
I'm getting more sharp.
That's too much, sir?
No, my shark just dropped.
You can get a sharp one.
Yeah.
Nice, like job,
Guys, I got more shark.
man. You see?
The shark dropped.
Nice,
I get
actually.
more.
That was the chicken you long in?
I am.
Yeah. Yeah, chew or just to pay for it?
Yeah.
Juice.
I'll pay for you. How much I need?
No, I think
Sure.
Yeah, juice.
How much I need?
No, I just said that just hand down.
Yeah, that's for jam, yeah.
I'm gonna pay.
Two juice like it. This two juice like it. Pay for 4. So that's two juice like
So 16 and 40, 56 a month.
it. 60 euros.
Everything I'm doing. But that's the guy, the man. So can I get a free one? Well, I come from Jamaica and I'm gonna promote your place. Can I get a free bacon shop to take home? You're on camera.
How is it?
Tastes good.
Nice, that's all we want to hear.
Ah, but you see us, eh?
Yeah.
Huh?
That is why you come and he asks the taste before and like how
Yeah.
somebody else, you know, you come and buy.
But somebody is going to play the game, man. Somebody.
Of course, everybody say come and
Don't tell anybody,
easy
yeah,
with this guy, guys.
We both Jamaican.
Well, you give them the free bacon, see us? Once they give them the free bacon, we don't say. We don't want to say handle the free bacon.
Look, here's one more. A free bacon. Huh?
Which one you want? The homemade bread or the roasted?
Which one?
The homemade bread or the roasted?
Oh, homemade with a roast bake. A roast bake.
Roasted and chop. Chop?
Try?
You want the chop or you want the mixed up like that one?
Oh, what do you think? Shark. See it? Pure shark. Pure shark I'm eating, guys. Pure shark. So you guys should try this bacon shark. I'm doing the roast bake, right?
Yes.
So I'm getting a free roast bake.
You make that one just like this. It's got this pineapple.
Yeah,
garlic,
yes.
and pepper.
Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. We got time.
No, but that is our blessings. Where you doing?
It's a blessing. All the way from Jamaica.
What's the name?
My YouTube channel is Kino Life in Jamaica. So you can check it out. Kino.
Oh, okay. Come up one time.
One time. See it come up one time.
Fussy popular.
Yes.
Garlic, pepper.
Yeah, on the mustard, ketchup and pepper, right?
And mustard, ketchup, and pepper.
Yeah.
That's the pineapple.
So guys, it eats so good. I have to get that free one. Something free. They always say, no, if you want anything free, you must be dumb. So that means that today I'm not dumb. So I'm getting something free. Yes, please. It's real good. Oh, you have some onions, some red onions and sweet pepper, please. And cucumber. I'm going different this time. So I'm getting well blessed. I'm getting a free roast, right? Roast? Roast bake, right? Like the fried. Trinidad is something else. Trust me. Trinidad.
That already boss on it, I wanna know. The boss man had to handle that one and pass it off.
Alright, here it is.
Of course, we know.
Thank you so much.
That is the man.
Alright.
So, 40.
Check out the YouTube channel. So here's my free roast bake. Yeah.
When you see me Zoom,
Free.
you're glad in the garbage.
Free.
Man popular.
Yeah, I'm popular.
You say the boss man?
Man very popular.
Okay. I just had to get that one now, right? Lovely. Yeah, man. Give thanks, right?
Thank you, okay? I was here from last week. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Free food. I get free food, guys. Very free. Them say in life, anything you want free, you must be dumb. So I got something free, so I guess I'm not dumb. Right? I'm not dumb. Thank you, Trinidad. Thank you, thank you.
Just had to get a little piece of the bike for you now, but you know what I'm saying?
It is nice. It is real nice.
Yeah, of course, of course.
Finally, now I get to try it the right way. It is nice. Thank you so much, Trini. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I got 2 sandwiches. Guys, so this is the spot for doubles. Right here.
Right here. Wash your hand. You eating on the spot? You will eat or you will eat on?
Eat on the spot. You have to wash your hand.
Yeah, yeah.
All is good, all is good.
Yeah, I'm good.
So you have to, guys, you have to wash your hand. Then you're gonna get your doubles. So this is the water here. You have to wash your hands. Press it in. So basically you use your hand to eat it, right? Wow. Guys, look at this spot. There's so many people here waiting. That's how good it is, right? What do you think about it? Doubles. The big thing in Trinidad. Right. It's a big thing. Look at the queue. Look at the queue. You want doubles? Doubles? Come in. Let me see the doubles. Wow, is that chickpea down? That's it? Alright, I'm gonna try that doubles now. So I think I'm gonna need food as well too. After I try this. Yeah. I want something big.
No meat. No meat.
No.
Yeah.
It's up by the place, the food, they call it. They get all the foods them.
That's a food court. So
Food court, yeah.
Any different variety.
Yeah, I buy food in there already. It tastes good. So I wanna they sell Jamaican food in there.
Yeah, man.
So I wanna get one of that after I try the doubles. So Mitch, the double spot. Yeah. You wanna try? Come on, come try doubles, man. If I'm eating, all of us have to eat. Yeah. Wash your hands. Hey, well, you're not trying it already. No, you're gonna eat more doubles. There's a double spot, guys, you can see. This is the double spot. Is it that small?
So you could ask a triple if you like. You will get three skin. Doubles is 2 skins. With the chana, vegetables, whatever you like. Right, it has sweet sauce, pepper. Some people do cucumber, but looks like they only have sweet sauce there.
So that's it. It's a minced doubles right there, chicken doubles and regular doubles. So that's the chicken right there, right?
Chicken and it's put on the inside.
Okay.
Steaming up.
Steaming up. Okay. Video still going on, so many people watching. Okay, watching. Yeah, no. Different one. One of
That's
them.
what we do the other day.
It's people watching.
I use these how many times? Everything medium.
One on top is that big side, right?
Which one you getting?
Normal doubles.
Normal doubles. That's the chicken there.
Yeah. Medium roast?
Nah, the roast come.
That's it there?
Number 6 chicken for your chicken. Yeah, they roast pepper chicken. Thank you.
Guys, I am from Jamaica, so the first time I'm going to try this. Yeah, all the way from Jamaica.
Pepper.
Yeah.
How much I get?
What is that?
Next type of pepper.
No chicken.
Meat.
This is the doubles.
You make 2 real fine.
2
low pepper and 2 real side, right? Yeah. It's back on the other side. Yeah, that's right on.
Thanks.
You know pepper? Yeah.
Thanks. So guys, so here's the doubles. Let me try the double bubble. Holy. So you use your hand, right? So basically it is chickpea.
But
Let me see how you can put this up. Look at it like that. Oh, and that's... Trinidad is going on with things.
yeah, the roast pepper does be hot.
Yeah, guys, I got roast pepper. But for real, it's nice. I'm not lying. So the chickpea and the roll too. I think I'm gonna need another one. I'm gonna need another one. Definitely for sure. I need one more. I need more. It's really nice. It's really nice. Look guys, finally I tried it. Doubles. And you wasn't wrong. It was alright. I'm gonna try one more.
Yeah, man.
So nice, I have to eat it twice. Wow.
That's nice.
Guys, it's so nice. I have to eat it twice. I need another one.
What's the YouTube channel name?
King Alive in Jamaica. King Kino. K-I-N-O. I'll give it a few more. K-I-N-O.
No meat. Strictly veggie. That's something or they had to look into be the first.
I'm here on the avenue. Guys, look, you see? Look at me. The chickpeas, and then we got your seasoning and your hot sauce. So nice. I have to have it twice. Right? So nice. Make me want to dance. I'm going to stay here and eat 3 doubles for the rest of the night. Full my belly. 4 or 5 to full my belly, guys. So probably I'll stay here and eat 3 doubles. I had 2. You had yours? So we have
Sure.
and a female. Do you think I should add one more?
Yeah, that's how doubles is going on. Sometimes you're eating 6 doubles.
I need one more double.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You pick them up now? Pick up the yard there.
Yeah, pick up. Mitch. My name is Mitch too.
Mitch?
I was coming.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
so this is your place. This is Big Mitch. Yeah, Big Mitch. Yeah, man. Bill. But I have one more. Too nice. That's why it's a bad thing in Trinidad, boy. So who's Mitch? Yeah? What's Mitch? You all Mitch? Yeah. Oh, so everyone's Mitch. Mitch 1, Mitch 2, Mitch 1. Whole Mitch family.
The Mitch family.
Whole Mitch family. I have to have one more. That's like 3 doubles. Whee. So nice. I have to have it once, twice, thrice. Whoa, did I say? Whoa. Nice. So nice. Yeah.
The load up there.
Yeah. They proper load me up to the store, you know. Chicken loop.
All them there now. I'm going to look to get into mine.
only in Trinidad we eat free doubles. You eat and pay after. So if you don't like it, you can go. But we have a show gratitude and pay. Right? Thank you so much. Says having his doubles now. Wow. My lip is burning. Sensation. Yeah. Alright, so we'll pay the bill. You're good with one?
Right. We're not good target.
One more? Yeah. What kind of drinks are these? Oh, let me get the water. What are these sodas?
Yeah.
Blue water. Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.